that one in the basket. I see more eggs. Yeah. We don't need to eat them all right now. You gotta wait till you find all the eggs. Here. What's over here? Do you see an egg over here? Yeah. No, I'm not gonna open them right now. In a little bit. What's over here? Another one in the window. Here, put it in the basket. You got more eggs to find, honey. You're not supposed to open them all. You gotta wait till we find all the eggs to open them. Okay?
Jack, what about in the hallway? I see a couple in the hallway. By the stairs.
On the way to the stairs. See any eggs over here? Oh, what's that one? What'd you find? What's that?
What is that? Say, that's a peep.
That's a peep.
It's a peep.
Take a bite.
Hi, Jack.
Take a bite of the peep.
It's marshmallow.
Take a bite.
You can bite it. It's to eat.
That's candy. Take a bite. Can you eat them? Here, Daddy will do one.
Mm.
Yummy peep.
Yummy peep. Yummy.